Hope it goes on sale. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna look at my trunk club for the end of April. Live in Texas, so we are ready for summer down here, and I'm looking at my future purchases with summer in mind, which can be very hot and very humid. And if you don't know much about the trunk club, I am going to recommend this video right here that will break everything down for you, and I will also put a link to the video in the description, as well as a little picture that you can click on right at the end of the video. I will tell you, you have to be a little bit patient with the learning curve that the stylists have for the trunk club. They kind of have to hear your feedback and see what you like and not like. And I found that maybe the first and the second, there were little snags because they didn't really know my taste. But since then, all of my outfits, pretty much I can count on there being amazing outfits throughout. So let's start with the very first one. I'm wearing this outfit with a SPANX pair of jeans. So I am sending those back because I am just not brave enough to have my body show that way. But they feel great. Whether or not they look great is my fault because I don't have those fabulous long legs that go on forever. So it's funny because the inside of the jean, right on the tummy area, there is a liner that will tuck that tummy in, which is super cool. The SPANX jeans have faux pockets, real pockets in the back. Here is a close-up of the Kate Spade collaboration with KEDS. It's very cute, but it's a little too pricey for KEDS shoes, I think. I think I can find white tennis shoes that I'll be happy with and that can be just as impactful. Here's an interesting detail. There are two ribbons. Kind of cool. Extra details are always nice. If money were no issue, I would buy them. They put together one of my favorite brands, and every box I get a CECE top because I am absolutely in love with the shape and color of the CECE tops. They just work for me, for my body type. Usually they're a little looser around the chest area so that I feel comfortable wearing them, and there is a femininity to the whole brand that resonates with me beautifully. So I really appreciate their tops. But let's take a look. This next outfit includes a Ruana. I did not know the name of this little beach-looking cover-up. I love it, and I'm definitely keeping it. It's a weave that is quite delicate and cool and inexpensive, in a fun color that I can use all summer long. The way the stylist put this together, they used my Ditzy Dot shirt with the ties on the sleeves. It changes the shape of the Ruana, so I'll probably just wear it with a plain white shirt. However, the little dots are cute because they do match the hat and the little crystal dots on the shoes, so it's kind of fun. And the Ruana is nice because it covers my white super tight jeans without adding volume. Also, it's super cool as far as temperature. Here in Houston, layering is always difficult because it gets so hot in the summer, so this would be definitely something I can manage. Let me show you the entire outfit with the hat. The hat actually is bigger than I thought from the image, and I also think it's quite inexpensive, so it's always good to have a little hat. I do wear one all the time when I'm outside in the summer, so why not this one? Take a look. Another look that they put together with the Ruana and the white t-shirt is wearing those good American old blue jeans in a beautiful wash. I really like the way this wash looks. They are super long, kind of like boot cut jeans that are frayed at the bottom, and it would be an easy fix for me to cut them down so I can wear them with flats. The look originally was to be worn with the Kate Spade KEDS, but I am wearing them with my Vince CAMUTO Espadrilles in order to be able to walk on them. Even with the espadrille, I still would have to cut a little bit because my sizing is super large to fit my hips. Therefore, I have a lot of extra length usually, which can be fixed if you're part of the Nordic Club for free. Let's take a look. So another look with the nice jeans that I got is just a simple but super elegant look with this halogen top, which is just glorious. It's off the shoulder on one side only. I would wear just my hair over that side to cover my skin because I don't like showing my shoulders, but I still think it's kind of cool to have just a little hint of shoulder showing. So super lovely. You would have to wear this with a strapless bra. I think this look is lovely. Originally, they wanted me to wear the pants with these shoes, the Sam Edelman that I had purchased last time. Since the pants are too long, I probably can't. Or I would just go ahead and cut down the pants and wear them with this lovely purse that came in one of my curator boxes. I think it was for December, and I'll put links to it in the description. Wouldn't that be cute? Let me walk away so you can take a look. Here is a Vince CAMUTO top that I just picked as an extra because, oh, this peachy pink is just adorable for spring and Mother's Day, and I thought it would work really well with white pants. But I am wearing it here with the blue jeans, and you will see that the length is fabulous for covering your derriere and has a little slit cut on the side and a lovely 3/4 sleeve so that you can show your delicate bracelets and Mother's Day goodies that you will be receiving. Take a quick look. And now the super casual wrap dress in the periwinkle color that's so in this year. It's just a little dress that you can be comfortable and cool in the entire summer. Worn with sneakers or the KEDS shoes and the hat just to make it a little edgier, but it is so cute. This dress, even though it is a wrap dress that wasn't created until the 70s, I think, by Diane von Fürstenson, can't say that word. It does remind me of a 50s dress from that series called The Midwife. Maybe if I had a little color underneath the dress. Anyway, that's what the dress reminds me of, but I love it. I love the retro feel to it with the updates from the hat and wearing tennis shoes or sneakers. It's really nice that they put a hook right here. So my problems with usually having this be too open is solved. Absolutely perfect. One little hook. And right here on the shoulder, it has little drapey things. So that's really pretty. Just real simple. And now this dressier piece for the finale. A lovely dress. It is so well made and it has lovely details. Look at this. It has like little metal endings to the tie part. It has a gorgeous little princess waist that kind of is a little shape fitting. Almost, I guess that this would be like a 5/6 of the way. Flouncy, beautiful. Animal print, but very elegant and timeless with this pink and brown. I think the brown looks great with my nails, and even though it's not the same color, I think it's a lovely combination. I just adored this dress. The only thing is it would be too hot here in Houston to wear it, but it does travel well. If we go up north, when we go up to Wisconsin or Canada, it is super cool in the summer months, so I could definitely wear this. But otherwise, this would be more of a fall dress for me here in Texas. But I love it. I adore it. They had me wear it with my puffy sandals, and I added the purse. I think it's so lovely. And of course, if you want to dress it up, you know, you can do whatever with your shoes. It would make a lovely work dress as well. Luncheon with friends, date night. I think I'm keeping it, even though I can't wear it this summer. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to watch my list of Nordstrom trunk clubs. I have a ton of them. Most of them will explain exactly how the trunk club works.